Welcome, guys. When I see a lot of charts, yesterday's candle is like a small spinning top candle. If you see in certain charts like this, yesterday's candle has been like a doji candle. Let us see again in Tesla. This also sort of a small body candle. Now let us come to nano dimension. You could see a small body candle within the previous body candle. Now again let's see the clover. Even this candle, which is yesterday's candle, it's within the body of the previous candle. In most of the charts, this commonness is observed. Even in QS, we could see that it's a doji candle and within the body of the previous candle. And this is today's candle. Again, let's see in SPC. Even in SPC, same thing, a small body candle within the body of the previous day candle. Again, let's see another chart, NEO. You could see small body candle within the previous green candle body. Now this is important. This is a sort of a harami. It's called a harami candle. Now this harami candle formation is important. If this candle length, the high or the low breaks, that will set the new direction for the market. Now which direction it's going to cross, we need to wait a day or two and then find out whether it's crossing the high of these two candles or the low of these two candles in most of these charts. Once this crossover takes place, then maybe for some time, maybe for at least a couple of days time, we'll come to know what is the direction of the market and most of the stocks, given the confused situation in the current scenario, because after a great fall we are seeing some sort of a sideways activity. So to come out of this sideways activity, we need to wait for a day or two, wherein when the current candles cross this high and low of these candles, it will set the direction for the next couple of days. So we need to wait for a day to get clarity on the market trend and the stock trends itself. Hope this is very clear. Thank you.